to Jamaica Home, the paradise of the Caribbean. I am so excited to welcome you all to this brand new YouTube channel where we will be going around looking at different properties or homes around Jamaica. There'll be homes that are completed, homes that are in the process of being completed, homes that are just being started. And I hope that you really do enjoy the different type of homes that are in this paradise of the Caribbean. I would love for you to subscribe, comment, like, and click the notification bell so that you never miss another show. So please do stay tuned and connected to us as we take you around the island looking at Jamaica Homes.